Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dixit. Today is 2 October 2021. Today we discuss about the abstraction. Firstly, what is the abstraction in a Java? The abstraction, it is a process that can hiding the implementation details, and it can provide a functionality to the user. The abstraction in a Java, let's consider the one class which can declare with the keyword of the abstraction is called as the abstraction class in Java. The abstraction class can contain the empty body methods, which the method cannot be completed. It can declare as a abstraction with the help of abstraction keyword. uh, Abstraction keyword. So the abstraction method can be achieved by the interface and the abstraction method. There are two types to achieve the abstractions method in a Java. First is interface and second is abstractions method. First we discuss about the interface. Firstly, what is the interface in a Java? The interface in a Java, it is a process, it is a method that can be the blueprint of the class. It can has the constant, static, and the abstraction method. In other words, we can say that the abstractions method present in a class which can be declared as a interface. It means the interface the class. It means the interface is must have the abstractions methods. The method body is cannot be used to achieve the interface and the multiple inheritance and multiple interface. The the interface is also provide a relation, that is a relation, and interface is used to achieve the abstraction. It is used to achieve the loose coupling, and by the use of interface we can support to provide a functionality to the multiple inheritance. Then how the interface can be declared in a class. The interface is declared with the interface keyword. That keyword can provide the abstractions method. In other words, all the interface methods can be declared as a abstractions, and also the static final method also considered as a public with the help of the default. Then we can consider example. But in a case of two class, first class can be extended to the second class. In a case of two interface, first interface can extend the second interface. But in case of one class and one interface, the class can be implement the interface, and it must be implement the method present in a interface class. It means that the class can be implements the interface as well as its method are present in that class. So we give the example of that. The next is the abstractions methods. The abstractions method can contain two types. First is the data abstraction, and second is the control abstraction. First is, what is the data abstraction? The data abstraction, it is means that it can be hide the data. It can be hiding the details of the data from the user. And second is the control abstraction. The control abstraction, it can hiding the implementation details from the user. But in this process we can only give the functionality of the working to the user. Let's consider the example. we can use your phone with application that can be only we can use that can be only for with the help of button and some other process, but we cannot be know about the how it can be work in inbuilt systems. So it is example. The next other example is we can log in our Gmail account in Gmail and Yahoo Mail and other Gmail websites. So the mail cannot be accessed without the password. When you type your password, that can be accessed directly and we can log in your Gmail account.